So come to second part. Bone is a hard porous tissue. It has good supply of blood vessels and nerve. Means bones are the living. It grow according to the growth of the height. It consists of both living cells called osteoblast, and a rigid mass of certain minerals called calcium and phosphorus. So, due to the deposition of calcium and phosphorus, our bones are so strong. But increase in age can reduce the concentration of calcium in bone. That's why bones becomes weaker in old age. That's why it is suggested to have more green leafy vegetables, milk, because it contains huge amount of calcium and can and you have a good bones. Now come to the third, fluid, connective tissue. What is fluid? The substance that can flow. So fluid connective tissue consists of blood and lymph. See, what is a blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue that consists of two types of substance. The first is known as cellular components. Cellular component consists of RBC, red blood cells that transport oxygen, WBC, protective cell, defensive cells that defends your body from the germs, and platelets helps to forms a clot around the cut in your body, means prevent the flow of blood from the body to the outside. So these are the cells called cellular elements or cellular components. These cellular components are dissolved in the fluid part of blood, and this fluid part is called plasma. Plasma consists of water, protein, and inorganic salt. So these are the composition of a blood. A blood is a fluid connective tissue help in the transportation of all the substance in the body from one structure or one organ to the another organ. Now see, the second is called lymph. This is the human heart that consists of 4 chambers, and from this chamber pure blood oxygenated to the body or transported to the body. This oxygenated blood contains oxygen and various useful substances that are oozed out from the capillaries into the body cells. Here the fluid part of the blood that are oozed out from the capillaries in the body cells is called lymph. Lymph basically contain WBC and some amount of carbohydrate fats ATC. This lymph also defensive because it basically contain WBC. Understood all of you? Dear students, all of you try to make a chart. If you have a chart paper, and in the chart paper just write down all the types of tissues and their function. Next day we'll continue the same topic with muscular tissue and the nervous tissue. Okay, have a good day.